The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is the epitome of luxury in the SUV market, blending exquisite craftsmanship with powerful performance. Named after the largest diamond ever discovered, the Cullinan represents the pinnacle of sophistication and elegance. With its bold design, imposing presence, and state-of-the-art engineering, it is a true testament to Rolls-Royce's legacy of excellence. Every detail of this vehicle has been meticulously crafted to deliver an unparalleled driving and ownership experience. From the outside, the Cullinan immediately captures attention with its signature Rolls-Royce grille, spirit of ecstasy hood ornament, and sleek black exterior. Its commanding size and flawless design showcase a perfect balance of luxury and practicality. The adaptive LED headlights, sharp body lines, and iconic rear doors opening in a coach-style manner highlight the car's majestic appeal. The Cullinan is not just an SUV, it's a statement of power and opulence on the road. Step inside, and the true magic of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan unfolds. The interior is a sanctuary of comfort and elegance, offering unmatched luxury at every turn. The orange leather seats are not only visually striking, but also designed for maximum comfort, with heating, cooling, and massage features. The handcrafted dashboard is adorned with polished black accents, while the starlight headliner creates a serene ambience, mimicking the night sky. Every inch of the cabin is crafted from the finest materials, from the lambswool floor mats to the meticulously stitched leather. It's clear that the Cullinan's interior is designed to pamper its passengers beyond its aesthetics. The Cullinan is equipped with cutting-edge technology. The infotainment system features a high-resolution touchscreen, voice-activated controls, and seamless smartphone integration. Rear seat passengers can enjoy personalized entertainment screens, fold-out tables, and a champagne cooler for the ultimate travel experience. The Cullinan also offers a first-class lounge seating configuration, providing maximum space and luxury for those seated in the rear. Whether you're being chauffeured or driving yourself, this SUV guarantees an extraordinary experience under the hood. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is powered by a 6.75-liter V12 twin-turbo engine, delivering an impressive 563 horsepower. Despite its size, the Cullinan offers a smooth and effortless driving experience thanks to its advanced air suspension system. This system automatically adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a ride that is both comfortable and dynamic. The all-wheel drive capability allows the Cullinan to perform flawlessly, whether cruising through city streets or tackling rugged terrain. It's a remarkable blend of power and refinement that only Rolls-Royce can achieve. Customization is another hallmark of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Buyers can choose from an endless array of bespoke options to make their vehicle truly unique. From exclusive paint colors to personalized interior details, the possibilities are limitless. Rolls-Royce prides itself on creating vehicles that reflect the individual tastes and preferences of its customers. Whether you want a Cullinan tailored for adventure or one designed as a rolling masterpiece, Rolls-Royce ensures that every detail is executed to perfection. The Cullinan also includes advanced safety features to protect its passengers. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision warning, and a 360-degree camera system. With Rolls-Royce's commitment to innovation, you can trust that the Cullinan is as safe as it is luxurious. This focus on safety and convenience ensures peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Owning a Rolls-Royce Cullinan is more than just owning a car. It's about embracing a lifestyle of sophistication and prestige. It's a vehicle for those who appreciate the finest things in life and seek the best in performance, comfort, and style. The Cullinan sets a new benchmark in the luxury SUV market, offering an experience that is unmatched by any other vehicle. It is truly a masterpiece on wheels and a symbol of automotive excellence.